Natural home remedies for leg cramps. Have you ever got leg cramps, especially at night? If yes, you could know that it is so painful that it makes you burst into tears sometimes. Leg cramps or muscle cramps are common issues people often have. However, they might not know what causing leg cramps and how to get rid of this condition due to some reason. Leg cramp is considered as involuntary contraction of humans' leg muscles, which create the extreme pain for you. In fact, most cramps occur suddenly and they are accompanied by warning signals, such as twitching and tingling of muscles, followed by an abrupt pain. First, ginger. Gingers are indispensable home remedies for leg cramps. Actually, this ingredient contains a high concentration of magnesium that helps treat leg cramps effectively. If you apply ginger for a long time and on regular basis, leg cramps will be reduced and treated completely. Additionally, ginger is also known for several essential oils loaded inside, which contributes in improving the blood flow. Consuming ginger tea is a good suggestion to treat leg cramps. Besides, you can take a bath with its roots extract whenever breathing in vapors. Second, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a medical kitchen staple because of its amazing and abundant health benefits. We can make use of its ingredients to treat many health issues. Leg cramps are not out of its reach for sure. It is believed to be one of the best home remedies for leg cramps. Apple cider vinegar is high in potassium, which allows it to relieve muscle cramps. Third, yellow mustard. There is no shortage of home remedies for leg cramps. Yellow mustard is also among them. This ingredient contains a significant amount of acetic acid that helps promote your body to produce acetylcholine. This element is characterized as neurotransmitter, which promotes the leg muscles to work. Thanks for that, the pain and soreness will be relieved remarkably. Fourth, cold compress. Acting as home remedies for leg cramps, a cold compress is a good solution. Actually, the cold temperature can help numb the pain and reduce inflammation. Besides, it allows the muscle to relax, which contributes mainly to relieving the cramp completely. Moreover, once the leg cramp is gone, you can use a cold compress to reduce soreness because it will constrict the blood vessels. Fifth, Epsom salt. As you may know, Epsom salt is also great home remedies for many health problems, including leg cramps. Like ginger, this special salt also contains a high amount of magnesium promoting muscle relaxation along with healing process. Stir 2 cups of Epsom salt in your warm bath water, soak in bathtub for 20 minutes, and do it regularly.
Thanks for watching.